Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. It looks like the PlateStation 5 can already be customized. Let's get started. Alright, to kick things off, back in July on Resetera, there's a forum post by Lant War showing the top panel of the PlateStation 5. And from this image, it looks like the top panel is removable. And scrolling down the page, they did provide a link to the original article or the original post on a Chinese forum. From here, the post has been deleted. And then at the beginning of October, Sony themselves published a teardown video of the PlateStation 5, showing just how easy it is to remove those top and bottom panels. Now, shortly after all of that news broke, a brand new third-party company was launched called PlateStation 5. This third-party company looks like they make front and back plates or panels for the PlateStation 5. And I'm not even joking about this company being new. Their very first Facebook post was on October 13th. Their first Instagram post was on October 15th. And their very first Twitter post was on October 10th. As of right now, PlateStation 5 has 4 different customization options: black, red, chromatic, and indigo blue. The prices of these are listed at $39.99 each, and that includes 2 different panels and apparently free shipping as well. And judging by the look of this page and all of the space behind me, it looks like they will be offering some more stuff shortly. On their pre-order page, it says they will ship on or before November 12th, which is the launch date of the PlateStation 5. They also say all purchases guaranteed to fit your PlateStation 5. If they don't, they will refund you. This is an unofficial PlateStation 5 faceplate. We are not affiliated in any way with Sony, PlateStation, or the PlateStation 5 brand. And it also looks like they make faceplates for the standard and digital editions of the PS5. But something interesting to note here is that these images look like digital renderings. Now, I'm not knocking PlateStation 5 by having digital renderings on their website, considering the PlateStation 5 has not officially released yet. But I'm also wondering how these are going to fit. Did they have a chance to actually measure a real PS5, or are they based on assumptions? The next question is, what is the quality like? But I mean, with any third-party company with products similar to this, you're taking that kind of risk anyway, and the price point here doesn't seem too expensive at all. And I can pretty much guarantee that PlateStation 5 will not be the only company that starts manufacturing faceplates for the PlateStation 5. Considering the popularity of the PlateStation 5 and the popularity of customizations and the ease of customizations, I think custom faceplates are going to be incredibly popular. Now, if you don't believe me, here's some information that really drives my point home and is probably also complete overkill. But if you take a look at the state of Game Boy modding, there are a lot of people out there changing up the shells on their Game Boy, and as a result of that, there are a lot of third-party companies producing these aftermarket shells. Now, changing a shell on a Game Boy is not difficult, but at the same time, it's a little bit more advanced than changing the shell on a PlateStation 5. Now, given the relative popularity of the PlateStation 5 over the pretty old Game Boy and put the math together, you can probably see my point. While I don't know the quality to these PlateStation 5 panels, I think the overall concept is really cool. I'm also really happy that the PlateStation 5 can be customized, and I'm looking forward to seeing what companies end up doing. Because if you think about it, these are just plastic panels that are slapped to the sides of the PlateStation 5. Maybe a company comes out with panels that completely change the PlateStation 5 shape. But anyways, that is all I've got for today. Let me know in the comments below what you think about PlateStation 5. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the customization options that will probably exist for the PlateStation 5. What do you think panels are going to do? Do you think they'll just be solid colors? Do you think there'll be specific designs? Or do you think the shape of the panels might even change? If you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button. Check out my other videos. Thank you, everyone. Take care.